Welcome this video. Handmade gardening furniture from Pallet. The ultimate gas gardening furniture do not need to come with a high price tag. With a bit of create effect and some discard world palette, you can transforming your outdoor space into a cozy style and functional area. Whether you are human for rustic charm, modern minimalist home, handmade gardening, functional for palette is a fantastic way to upcycle and personalization your gardening. This detailing guess with your throat idea, plants benefit, construction type and inspire for create palette functional that both beautiful and budget friendly. When use palette for gardening functional gardening palette are increasingly versatile and have become a favorite material enthusiasts affordable. Pallets are often free or very cheap. Main business discard theme regulated and with a little search you can get theme videos and alluring. SEO friendly. Recycle old pallet, wash and your convenient footprints. Use theme for gardening functional is a form of sustainability living. Durable. Palette are designed of choosy load, so theme and can withstanding outdoor temperament. Palette can be cut and enjoy inside a way to fit and style or pre-purpose from stick and chap. Choosy is you. When to find palette Before you are beyond your need, secured quality pallet. Here are a few places to choose: Wind House and Hardware Stone Contraction. Online marketplace like Facebook Marketplace. Progressing step: clean the pallet. Before build, wash the pallet to remove and chapping. Use a water solution. Then later the continents, the surface, pallet, wood, range, and can living. All surface unit. They are popular. Well, stick distinct determinant if need. For more flexibility in design, your mid needs disclaim some palette. Use spray. Careful. Devote. Plan your palette. Your idea on paper or use simple design. Software consider layout and functional water. Your mark a benefit. Coffee table or a full long setup. Popular palette gardening functional. Let's explore some creative idea to try. Palette gardening soft and long set. Pallets 2 to 3 high for a soft basis. Attach a pallet various at the base for spotted. Add from old metal cover in outdoor fiber from comfort. You can make L shape soft and corner or a U shape layout for long space. Pallet coffee table. Create a long table. Use 1 or 2 strike pallet. Add cottage well for mobile or a glass top for a refined look. Palette to match your other furniture. Palette branch with story. Use 2 pallet for the base and 1 of the back start. Let's space understanding. 2 story gardening tool, plants pot, add a high set from height story. Dining table and chair. For outdoor dining setting, a full size table with 6 and 8 pallet. Use individual pallet to build chair and storing while and protective from rain.